Cooking with Camila, cooking with Camila. We're gonna make some food today. Hey, hey. Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how I make my signature Crockpot chicken. So first you're gonna leave your chicken in salt water overnight. So I put the raw chicken in a bowl with salt water, had it sit in the fridge overnight, and then took it out the next day, rinsed the chicken off and put it in the crock pot. This is the bowl I used. I put some bleach in there just to get rid of all the germs. Now that your chicken is prepped and ready to go, it's time to season it. Now I'm showing a whole bunch of different seasonings here, but you can use whatever you want. Overall, I recommend all-purpose seasoning, some lemon, lots of herbs, and salt and pepper. Check the ingredients on your seasonings though to make sure that they have the salt removed. The only salt you're putting in your chicken is just salt itself because you don't want it to be too salty. But yeah, you just want to rub in the seasonings like I'm showing here. So after you season your meat, you're going to amp up the flavor even more by chopping up some onion. Pro tip, take a bowl and fill it with water to prevent your eyes from running while you're chopping onion. Next, you're going to place your onion on top of your chicken and cook it in the crock pot on high for about 5 to 6 hours. Here's an example of the finished chicken without any onion. And here's an example of the finished chicken with onion. I like to check my chicken at about the 5-hour mark, but trust me, your nose will know when the chicken is done because it smells so good, and the meat will be falling off the bone like this. Last but not least, if you want to kill two birds with one stone, as they say, you can add some yellow potatoes to your chicken. Nothing too fancy here, just seasoning with salt and pepper and adding them to the crock pot. Okay, it looks like potatoes and onions, but I just put them on top of the chicken. So everything is seasoned, all ready to go. And I'm just gonna turn the crock pot on and let it cook for about 5.5, maybe 6 hours. Et voila, your chicken is all ready to go. I love this dish. It's so easy, quick, simple, clean, and it works great for meal prepping. You can spoon out some chicken and potatoes or just chicken into some Tupperware and have it ready to rock and roll with whatever sides you want, like rice or veggies. And it's just an all-around feel-good meal. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.